Two hyenas are fighting in this video for reasons that are unknown. Hyenas are not aggressive towards each other unless it's during mating season or if one of them feels threatened. Hyenas communicate with each other through a combination of vocalizations and body language, or it could be because of a simple misunderstanding. Hyenas are social animals and live in groups called clans. Spotted hyenas have a variety of adaptations that make them successful predators. In the wild, spotted hyenas typically live between 8 and 11 years, although some have been known to live up to 20 years. They're also the most studied, which is why we know so much about them. There are 3 other species of hyena: the brown hyena, the striped hyena, and the aardwolf. They live in groups called clans, which can have up to 100 members. The term hyena is often used to describe a person who's cruel, vicious, or cunning, as well as a person who laughs in a cruel or scornful way. Hyenas have been hunted for their fur, and as a result, several species have become extinct. Hyenas are still hunted in some areas, and their populations are declining in some parts of their range. Hyenas are highly vocal animals and use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other. Their calls can convey information about their location, identity, reproductive status, and social group. Hyenas are also known for their intelligence. They are capable of using tools and have been observed using sticks to extract termites from mounds. Hyenas are also excellent problem solvers and can figure out how to obtain food that's hidden from them. Hyenas have a complex social structure and live in groups called clans. Clans are made up of related females and their offspring, as well as a few unrelated males. Males typically leave their clan of origin as adults and join another clan or become nomadic. Hyenas are highly territorial and will defend their space from rivals. Brown hyenas are the largest hyenas and are found in open grasslands and savannas in eastern and southern Africa. They are primarily scavengers, but will also hunt down prey. Brown hyenas are known for their distinctive brown fur and white underparts. Striped hyenas are the most elusive and least known of the 4 hyena species. They are found in a variety of habitats in eastern and southern Africa, including grasslands, forests, and mountains. Striped hyenas are primarily nocturnal and are known for their distinctive black stripes. Aardwolves are the smallest hyenas and are found in central and southern Africa. They have a distinctive gray coat and a bushy tail. Wolves are primarily insectivores, feeding mainly on termites and other insects. In captivity, they can live even longer, up to 25 years. Hyenas are vulnerable to a number of predators, including lions, tigers, and humans. They can also be victims of poaching and habitat loss due to human activity. Despite these threats, hyena populations are currently stable, and they are not considered to be at risk of extinction. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth allow them to crush bones and consume prey quickly. Their strong limbs and muscular bodies enable them to chase down fast prey, and their large litters mean that they have plenty of cubs to take over when they die. Did you know that hyenas are related to cats? It's like all felids. Hyenas belong to the Felidae family. However, hyenas are more closely related to mongooses than they are to cats. Hyenas and mongooses both belong to the suborder Suina, which means they share a common ancestor. This makes hyenas more closely related to mongooses than to other felids like lions and tigers. And don't forget that mongooses are small, furry creatures that are often found living in close proximity to humans. Hyenas are also known for their distinctive laugh-like vocalization. Hyenas make a wide range of sounds, including grunts, growls, hisses, and screams. However, their most recognizable sound is their laughter, which is a high-pitched cackle that can be heard across the African savanna. Hyena laughter is thought to be one of the most distinctive and memorable sounds in nature. Hyenas are scavengers and hunters, and their diet consists of a variety of meat and sometimes vegetables. They are known for their ability to consume large amounts of meat very quickly and are capable of cleaning up a carcass in a matter of hours. Hyenas have a thick coat of fur that helps to keep them warm in cold temperatures and protect them from insect bites. They are also very agile and can climb trees with ease. Hyenas are found in a variety of habitats across Africa, from grasslands to forests to deserts. They are most active at night and are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. Clans are made up of related females and their offspring, as well as a few unrelated males. Males typically leave their clan of origin as adults and join another clan or become nomadic. Hyenas are highly territorial and will defend their space from rivals. When 2 clans meet, There may be a lot of posturing and aggression before a dominant hierarchy is established. Hyenas are also very protective of their food and will fight if another hyena tries to steal their meal. If a male hyena approaches a female that's in heat, he may have to fight off other males to gain access to her. Females typically go into heat once a year and have a gestation period of around 110 days, giving birth to anywhere from 1 to 4 cubs. Cubs are weaned at around 6 months of age and reach sexual maturity at around 2 years old. Their calls can convey information about their location, identity, reproductive status, and social group. Body language also plays an important role in hyena communication, just like with other animals. Hyenas use a combination of vocalizations and body language to communicate. They can convey information about their location, identity, reproductive status, and social group through their calls. Body language also plays an important role in hyena communication. Just like other animals, hyenas use a variety of vocalizations to communicate, including laughter, grunts, growls, hisses, and screams. The meaning of a call can vary depending on the context in which it's used. For example, a female in estrus will make a distinctive call that's different from a female that's not in heat. Hyenas also use a variety of visual cues to communicate, such as ear position, tail movements, and body posture. These cues can convey information about the hyena's emotional state and intentions. For example, a hyena that's feeling threatened may flatten its ears and lower its head, while a hyena that's feeling playful may raise its ears and wag its tail. Understanding how hyenas communicate can help researchers learn more about their behavior and conservation status. By studying their vocalizations and body language, scientists can gain insights into the social dynamics of hyena groups and their responses to environmental stressors. This knowledge can help inform conservation efforts and ensure that hyenas thrive in their natural habitats for generations to come. Now back to our spotted hyenas. The fight between 2 male hyenas can be deadly with injuries and even fatalities. But when females fight each other, it's usually less severe. In this case, the hyenas are not killing each other, but rather throwing themselves at each other to show submission. This behavior is known as play aggression. Play aggression is a form of social play in which animals appear to be aggressive, but are actually showing submission. It's common in many species, including dogs, wolves, dolphins, primates, and yes, hyenas. It's important to understand the context of the behavior in order to interpret it correctly. For example, if a hyena is growling and baring its teeth, it may be playing and not actually being aggressive. On the other hand, if a hyena is growling and baring its teeth while displaying other aggressive behaviors such as raised hackles, flattened ears, and a tucked tail, it's more likely to be genuinely aggressive. Hyenas are known for their distinctive laugh-like vocalization, but they can also make a variety of other sounds, including grunts, growls, hisses, and screams. There are several reasons why these hyenas may be fighting. This could be because of competition for food, mates, or territory. Now, let's talk about the hyena's physical characteristics. Let's get back to our spotted hyenas and talk about their lifespan. Spotted hyenas are the most widespread and numerous species of hyena. And now it's time for some fun facts about hyenas. As I mentioned earlier, hyenas are very social animals. And now for a little hyena trivia. The name hyena comes from the Greek word hyenas, which means to laugh. Hyenas are the only species in the Hyenidae family. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you next time.